Hi, my name is Nkansah. I'm a multimedia developer and digital creator based in Accra, Ghana. Today, I'm going to take you through how you can create beautiful bio websites for your IG and TikTok profiles. You're going to create something that's similar to what I have here, which on top here has my name, has my picture, more like a bio, a minimal version of that, and then links to some of the pages I want to connect to. For example, a hire me page, my guide videos, my portfolio, and then also my LinkedIn, my Instagram, and then TikTok as well. Down here has a link to my actual website, which is also hosted elsewhere. So we're going to do this not from scratch, but from a template that I have created on Canva. I'm going to share a link in the description as well, so you can just go in here and then use this to create your own. Oh, my internet just went off. Oh, shit. Okay, so we're back again. We're connected. All right. So this is a template that I created on Canva. It's created off my personal, bio website that I created for my IG and then my TikTok. All right. So we're just going to go straight into it and say use template. And of course, we're trying to redesign this to still get to this, using the template. So, first of all, we start by editing the details. So here has a name. So in this case, you put your name there. But my name is Nkansah. So yeah, Nkansah. All right, I changed that. Here has the bio details. So you have to change this. I think I've got bio written here somewhere. Okay, so I copy my bio. I replace. It's looking good. So here has a hire me. You can change these details to whatever you want to change to, like talk to me, but I just prefer hire me because it's more like I'm speaking to the person. So this wouldn't be clickable if you just write text there. So you need to highlight the whole thing and come here and use this link that you have here. You click on it and then you sort of generate the link wherever you want this linked to go. I have a personal website where I have a form there that someone can talk to me directly if they want to hire me for a service. So I just link them directly to that particular page. Some people may just use their WhatsApp business account. You'll be able to generate a URL from there and put in here so someone can just click and chat with you, and talk to you about gigs and all of that. Some people too may still want to do this. I prefer this way. So you can just put your name here, your information here and send me a message. Or you can just pick my number here and call me. Either works. So yeah, that's pretty much easy and cool and clean. Yeah, but moving on from there, essentially you can edit this to fit. But let's just maintain this with watch my videos, or maybe say watch my tutorials, right? And again, let's do the same. Check the link. I have linked that to my YouTube channel. But what we have to do is highlight the whole thing again and then put a link in there. So all the way to the tutorials get linked up. So someone takes them to my channel. Then portfolio. I also have a portfolio page on my website. So I have linked that over here nicely. If you do not have a website, you have your files stored on Instagram, you can just link them there. And again, if you do not have like a personal website, I'm going to go further to do additional videos on how to create portfolio websites using Canva, and that's free, and you wouldn't have to stress yourself building a website and hosting it and managing it and all of that. But again, I personally like that. I like that stress. So yes, I have that, and I have the link in there, right? And down here has links to LinkedIn, and then on Instagram, and then on TikTok. Again, the point to notice, if you come into the elements, you can search for Facebook, and when it comes up, you can easily bring the icons in here and then also add up to your design. Yeah, and you have it there. You probably would have to center everything again nicely. Make sure everything is centered properly. You have it. Let's just add a link to it. Let's just send people to Facebook. But again, if you are doing this for yourself, it would have to be the link to your personal Facebook. And at the bottom here has a link to your website. I mean, if you do not have a website, you can just completely, delete this. It's no big deal at all. But if you do, like me, you can highlight this and edit it to your website. But when you type in here, again, you need to make sure that it goes directly to your website. So you come and click on this link icon again and check. So if this link is not your website, then you can delete it and then put in your own website. Is that good? All right, cool. So I think everything is done except the image here. So we're going to pull out an image and then try to edit it. I've already uploaded an image into my Canva. So this is the image I want to use. So you see the image is sized differently altogether from what we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to hover it whilst we hold our mouse, and then you see that it creates this resizing in the image placeholder that we have behind it. So when you leave the mouse, it's automatically going to keep it in there. But what happens is it's not cropped properly how I want it to be. So I'm going to double click it, and then now I'm going to bring it down to an angle that I think is decent, and then I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I think it's decent now. So now we need to test out this. We need to know that it's working, because it's designed nicely, but is it working? Okay, so we click on publish as a website. Under here it has this web style that has presentation, but you click on there and then you go down, that's scrolling, classic, navigation, standard. But I like the scrolling because it normally comes with this effect that it makes it a little bit more nicer, So open. So now there you have it. Custom made bio website for your IG and your TikTok, doing it by yourself using a template. You didn't pay anybody for it. You didn't even have to pay for hosting or domain. It's like free for life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you in your work. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share to friends and family. See you again.